A single faulty lock can cost homeowners thousands in damaged doors, wasted time, and stress. In this video, we'll explore the world of quick DIY repairs and home fixes, focusing on the often overlooked art of lock maintenance. A well-maintained lock is the first line of defense against intruders, but it's also a crucial aspect of your home's overall security and durability. From stuck doors to shattered locks, we'll dive into the common problems and provide actionable solutions to get you back on track. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a homeowner looking for a quick fix, this video is packed with practical tips and tricks to help you tackle even the toughest lock-related issues. But that's not the only benefit of regular lock maintenance. A well-oiled lock can also extend the lifespan of your door and prevent costly repairs down the line. So let's get started and explore the world of lock repair and maintenance, shall we? Imagine having a lock that's as reliable as a Swiss watch, always ready to secure your home and your family's safety. But what happens when your lock starts to malfunction, and you're left wondering if it's time to call a professional or try a DIY fix? First, let's talk about the most common causes of lock malfunctions: worn-out parts, corrosion, and improper installation. But did you know that some locks can even be fixed with just a few basic tools and a little bit of patience? It's like trying to fix a leaky faucet with the right techniques and materials. You can save yourself a fortune in repair costs. Now, let's take a closer look at the different types of locks and their unique maintenance requirements. From deadbolts to spring latches, we'll cover it all, so you can identify the problem and apply the right solution. But what about those pesky stuck doors? Don't worry, we've got you covered with our expert tips and tricks to get them moving smoothly. And if you're dealing with a shattered lock, don't despair, we'll show you how to repair or replace it with ease. It's not as complicated as it sounds, and with the right guidance, you can have your lock up and running in no time. But that's not all. We'll also explore the latest lock technologies and innovations that can enhance your home's security and convenience. So, whether you're looking to upgrade your existing locks or install new ones, we've got you covered with the latest insights and advice. But what about the environmental impact of lock maintenance? Did you know that some locks can be repaired or repurposed instead of replaced? It's a win-win situation. You save money, and the planet benefits from reduced waste. Now, let's talk about the importance of lock maintenance in preventing break-ins and home invasions. A well-maintained lock can deter even the most determined intruders, giving you peace of mind and a sense of security. But what about those smart locks that claim to offer unparalleled security and convenience? We'll examine the pros and cons of smart locks and help you decide whether they are worth the investment. So, whether you're a tech-savvy homeowner or just looking for a reliable lock solution, we've got the inside scoop on smart locks. But what about the cost of lock maintenance? Is it worth the investment? The answer is a resounding yes. A well-maintained lock can save you money in the long run and provide you with peace of mind. Now, let's talk about the different tools and materials you'll need to get started with lock maintenance. From WD-40 to silicone spray, we'll cover the essentials and provide you with a list of recommended tools and materials. But what about those hard-to-reach locks that require specialized tools and expertise? Don't worry, we've got you covered with our expert tips and tricks for tackling even the toughest lock-related challenges. But what about the importance of regular lock inspection? Can it really make a difference in preventing lock malfunctions? The answer is yes. Regular lock inspection can help you identify potential problems before they become major issues. So, let's talk about the best practices for regular lock inspection and maintenance. From checking for worn-out parts to lubricating moving parts, we'll cover it all and provide you with a checklist to keep your locks in top condition. But what about those locks that are beyond repair? When is it time to call a professional? Don't worry, we've got you covered with our expert advice on when to DIY and when to call a professional. But what about the cost of hiring a professional lock technician? Is it worth the investment? The answer is yes. A professional lock technician can provide you with peace of mind and ensure that your locks are installed or repaired correctly. So, whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just looking for a reliable lock solution, we've got the expertise and knowledge to help you tackle even the toughest lock-related challenges. But what about the future of lock technology? What innovations can we expect to see in the coming years? From biometric locks to advanced smart locks, we'll explore the latest trends and innovations in lock technology. And if you're looking to upgrade your existing locks or install new ones, we'll provide you with expert advice and recommendations on the latest lock solutions. So, whether you're a homeowner looking for a reliable lock solution or a DIY enthusiast looking for expert advice, we've got you covered with the latest insights and trends in lock technology. But what about the importance of lock safety? Can it really make a difference in preventing accidents and injuries? The answer is yes. Lock safety is a crucial aspect of home safety, and it's essential to prioritize it when maintaining or installing locks. So let's talk about the best practices for lock safety and how to prevent accidents and injuries. From installing locks with safety features to maintaining locks regularly, we'll cover it all and provide you with expert advice on how to prioritize lock safety. But what about those locks that are not designed with safety features? Can they be retrofitted or upgraded? Don't worry, we've got you covered with our expert advice on how to prioritize lock safety and prevent accidents and injuries. But what about the importance of lock maintenance in preventing fires and electrical hazards? The answer is yes. Lock maintenance is a crucial aspect of fire safety and electrical hazard prevention. So let's talk about the best practices for lock maintenance in preventing fires and electrical hazards. From installing locks with fire-resistant materials to maintaining locks regularly, we'll cover it all and provide you with expert advice on how to prioritize lock safety and prevent fires and electrical hazards. But what about those locks that are not designed with fire-resistant materials? Can they be retrofitted or upgraded? Don't worry, we've got you covered with our expert advice on how to prioritize lock safety and prevent fires and electrical hazards. But what about the importance of lock maintenance in preventing water damage and flooding? The answer is yes. Lock maintenance is a crucial aspect of water damage and flooding prevention. So let's talk about the best practices for lock maintenance in preventing water damage and flooding. From installing locks with water-resistant materials to maintaining locks regularly, we'll cover it all and provide you with expert advice on how to prioritize lock safety and prevent water damage and flooding. But what about those locks that are not designed with water-resistant materials? Can they be retrofitted or upgraded? Don't worry, we've got you covered with our expert advice on how to prioritize lock safety and prevent water damage and flooding. If you're looking for a reliable lock solution or expert advice on lock maintenance, subscribe to our channel for more incredible stories like this. And if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them below. We'd love to hear from you and help you tackle even the toughest lock-related challenges. Want more mind-blowing facts about DIY repairs and home fixes? Subscribe to our channel and join our journey of discovery.